What's up, guys? Nick, the Holla Junk Removal. Right here in beautiful Solana Beach. Got a property cleanout. They're selling this beautiful property out here in Solana through Swell Realty. Call this up. We got all this beautiful items, some rugs, some pillows, baskets, nice ceiling fan. Got some artwork. What the fuck this is? Oh, it's Wi-Fi thing. But you know, what else we got? And then we got this lovely pile of crap over here. Look at that. Nice benches, leather, nice old park bench. Beautiful stinky mattresses, like always. So we're gonna go ahead and make some room in the truck. That's how we do it. It's a beautiful day today out here in Solana. The waves are completely flat. I just checked it out. Check out Seaside on the way down. And we'll get this done. Probably like 15, 20 minutes. Probably 20 minutes. It's a lot of shit. Get it loaded up. And then grab some tacos. Because what the hell? Every day is a taco day. So if you need your property cleaned up, house cleaned up, garage cleaned up, give us a call. The Holler Junk Removal. 760-331-3289. Ask for Nick. He'll give you a discount. Or go to our website, book it online, and we'll give you a discount. Or just say, hey, I want a discount. We'll give you a discount. Super easy. But anyway, let's get it done. Stay tuned. I don't know what you're staying tuned for, but property cleanout. Solana Beach. Give us a call. We're neighborhood junk guys.